Yo, what is up guys? This is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. Today we are talking about a platform that is literally paying people $20, $60 and even up to $150 an hour to work from home. This is Micro One. Whether you are an AI trainer, a content specialist, or a hardcore developer, this site is hiring worldwide right now. But here is the catch. You don't do the interview with a human, you have to beat an AI recruiter named Zara to get those high paying gigs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up, how to pass that AI interview, and exactly how much you can expect to put in your pocket. So let's dive in. So first and foremost, the link to Micro One will be in the description down below. And if we go and check the opportunities tab right here and click on view opportunities, you will see a wide range of roles that you can apply on. If you are a beginner or if you are a guy with a bunch of skill sets and you have like some skills and expertise in specific domains and niches, you can put those to use and you can get paid. So if we start scrolling from top to bottom, as you can see, we have document sourcing specialist, and literally the pay is ranging from $20 to $66. This is just an example, and there's like multiple other options, multiple other roles that you can apply for example, this one right here, if you are a Adobe specialist, so we specialize in Adobe products, you have experience with Adobe Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, those Adobe products, you can apply for this role, which pays you literally $21 and I mean up to $7. You can negotiate your pay rate later on once you pass the AI interview. And there is like a bunch of other roles. As you can see here, there are some novice roles that you can apply for that does not really require any much of an experience, and there are, like I said before, some roles that needs expertise. One of the roles that you can apply for without needing any experience is the generalist role. You will be doing AI data annotation tasks for the most part, and you don't need any experience whatsoever. So you can go ahead and look up the term generalist in the opportunities tab, and yeah, you can just start applying for these roles. In order to apply, you click apply right here, and you just put in your name, your email, your phone number, and you upload your resume, then click on next. So that's how you actually apply for a role on Micro One. But before we go and proceed with that, let me just show you how to create your own profile, how to actually get verified on the platform, so you will get more roles, and each time there is a role that fits your profile within the community, the support will just reach out to you and they will just recruit you themselves. So what you can do is, by going to the opportunity tab, you click on the login section right here, and from here what you need to do is click continue with Google. So click on continue with Google and then select your Google account. And once you are in, you will have to take a preliminary interview to actually assess your skill set and what are you good at, your weak points, your strong points, and things of that sort, in order to actually create your profile within Micro One community. Once you do this, you will get certified and you will have this certification. For example, if we let's just zoom in to this image right here. I just took the interview, and as you can see, it says it has successfully passed Micro One's AI interview and is officially certified as an AI trainer, data annotation specialist. So you will be given this certification, and each time there is a role within this domain, you will be hired automatically, or at least you will be reached out to by supports in order for you to get recruited. So that's how you do it. And as you can see, I have applied for multiple jobs right here, and let me just show you the status of a bunch of them. If you get this did not qualify, it means that you have done well within the interview, but the hiring manager did not really like the interview, or for some reason they did not want to recruit you based on your profile. If you have interview pending just like this, it means you have not taken the interview for such roles, so you have to take those. If you have application incomplete, that means something is missing within your application, so you better revise that. And yeah, this is how to actually see the progress of your applications within the dashboard. So again, this is how to create your own Micro One account and how to get certified within the community. Also, I highly recommend that you join their Slack community, where they post, early roles, so you can also get notified via Slack when there is opportunities that are recruiting and they need, people to join. So go ahead and join their Slack community as well. If you want to go to the jobs, again, you can click on jobs, and from here all you need to do is click on all active jobs, and from all active jobs you can start applying to any role that you like, the same way that you was doing it, but you was doing it from the main or home page. But again, like, I don't recommend this. You need to create your own profile. Once you get verified, then you can start proceeding with the whole application thing. So again, if you want some roles that are very easy to do, they do not really require that much, you just proceed with the generalist tab right here. You can go for this example data video generalist. They are paying $6 per hour. You can go for this one where they are paying 30 to 50 bucks per hour, and you can go to these as well. You can even check these if you are a good fit, and yeah, just start applying for those. So let's just show you the whole application process. If you click on apply, what you need to do next is just put in, like I said before, your name, your last name, your email, and your phone number, and also make sure to put in your LinkedIn profile. Then also upload your resume. Make sure you have a resume ready. So upload your resume, then click on next. Then once you click on next, they will just ask you some basic questions. How soon can you get started? Let's just say that we want to start immediately, so let's just leave it at 1. Your hourly rate, put it to $6 to match the rate they just said in the gig. How many hours can you put in a week? Let's just do 30 hours. We can work up to 30 hours. Are you based in this location? Let's just say no for now and click on apply. Once you apply, you'll be taken to this AI interview interface, and in here you can expect the stuff that needs to be discussed within this interview. As you can see, the format will be AI interview plus exercise. Duration will be up to 20 minutes, and the last date to complete this interview will be April 22. And these are just a couple of the stuff that you have to make sure they are ready in order to proceed with the AI interview, because they will just make or break your whole experience with the AI Zara interview. And also you can look up their AI interview guide right here. It's a video showing you how to familiarize yourself with the AI interviewer. So here is my final verdict about Micro One as a platform. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But the good thing, the speed is unmatched. No waiting weeks for a recruiter to email you back. You pass the AI, you are in. But the bad side, the satisfactory review phase can take a while. Some people pass the interview and then wait a month for a project. It's a high bar platform, so if you don't bring your A game, the AI will reject you instantly. My final verdict, if you have the skills, Micro One is one of the best ways to skip the line and get high paying tech work in 2026. If you want me to do a deep dive into the specific questions Zara asked me, let's get this video to 500 likes and I drop part 2. Check the links in the description to sign up and start your interview today. Don't forget to subscribe to Hadi Tech for more ways to make money with AI. This is Hadi. I'll catch you in the next one, and peace.